Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the Illustrator card app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Illustrator card app is designed to give card holders a premium experience, offering a 24/7 access to Canva service, travel booking pick, and a curated styles benefit. It also handles all the basic like checking balance, tracking transaction, and making payment with the added security of Face ID and two-factor authentication. For frequent traveler or user who like having exclusive offer and a quick access to Converge, it's had a real convenience. On the downside, the luxury card itself comes with a very high annual fee, so the app only feels worth it. So if you fully use the peak, some users also will report glitches, slow update, and a limited functionality compared to what's promised. So in conclusion, the app is useful if you already have a luxury card and maximize its benefit, but it's not a strong enough reason on its own to justify the steep card fee. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, don't forget the button and subscribe for more review.